Have you ever wondered why your lower belly seems to be the last place to change, no matter how many crunches you do? It can feel like that stubborn area has a mind of its own. But here's the surprising part: your body doesn't burn fat from one specific spot just because you're exercising that muscle. So why do certain exercises seem to work better than others? Let's find out. First, it's important to understand what you're really seeing. The muscles of your lower abdomen sit underneath a layer of body fat. You can make those muscles stronger, but if there's still fat covering them, they won't be very visible. That's why endless sit-ups alone rarely produce the results people expect. But that's not the whole story. The right exercises can strengthen your core, improve stability, and activate muscles that support your lower abdomen. Combined with healthy eating and regular movement, they help reveal a stronger midsection over time. Exercise number 1 is the reverse crunch. Instead of lifting your shoulders, this movement lifts your hips toward your chest. Your lower abdominal muscles work to control the motion while your core stays tight. Slow, controlled repetitions are much more effective than rushing through the movement. Quality always beats quantity.
Here's where it gets interesting. Exercise number 2 is the hanging knee raise, or a lying knee raise if you don't have a pull-up bar. As your knees move upward, your abdominal muscles work hard to keep your pelvis stable. Your hip muscles also help, creating powerful teamwork between different muscle groups. Keeping the movement slow prevents momentum from doing the work for you. Many people think doing hundreds of repetitions is the secret. In reality, controlled movement and proper technique activate the muscles far more effectively than speed. The surprising part is that your core isn't just one muscle. It's a team made up of the rectus abdominis, deep stabilizing muscles, obliques, your lower back, and even your diaphragm. They all work together whenever you move, lift, twist, or even breathe. Now let's look at exercise number 3, the plank with knee drives, sometimes called mountain climbers when performed at a faster pace. In the slower version, each knee moves toward your chest while your body stays steady like a straight board. Your core resists rotation, helping train balance, stability, and strength all at once. But here's something many people overlook. No exercise can magically melt fat from your lower belly alone. When your body burns stored fat for energy, it decides where that fat comes from based on genetics, hormones, and many other natural factors. Over time, as overall body fat decreases, the muscles you've been strengthening become easier to see. That means the best strategy is surprisingly simple. Build strong abdominal muscles with effective exercises, stay physically active, eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and give your body time to adapt. Small improvements repeated consistently often produce the biggest long-term changes. So, if you're looking for the 3 exercises worth adding to your routine, remember these: reverse crunches, hanging or lying knee raises, and plank knee drives. They challenge your lower abdominal muscles while building a stronger, more stable core. Your lower belly isn't about finding a secret exercise. It's about understanding how your body really works. When you combine smart training with healthy daily habits, you're not just working toward visible abs. You're building a stronger, healthier body from the inside out.